Hello students, welcome to 12th physics class. This video continue with the second lesson, current electricity. Today we are going to learn about two topics. First one, heating effect of electric current. Subtopic, Joule's law, application of Joule's heating effect. Second topic, thermoelectric effect. Subtopic, Seebeck effect, Peltier effect and Thomson effect. First one, heating effect of electric current. Can you list out the application of heating effect of electric current? For example, electric fuse, iron box, electric bulb and room heater. This is application of few example of heating effect of electric current. The definition of heating effect of electric current. When current flows through a resistor, some of the electrical energy delivered to the resistor is converted into heat energy and it is dissipated. This heating effect of current is known as Joule's heating effect. Just as current produces thermal energy may also be suitably used to produce an electromotive force. This is known as thermoelectric effect. Here thermo means heat. Joule's law of heating. If a current I flow through a conductor kept across a potential difference V for a time, the work done or the electrical potential energy spent is W equal to VIT, where W is work done, V is potential difference, I is current, T is time. This is equation number 1. In the absence of any other external effect, this energy is spent in heating the conductor. The amount of heat H produced is H equal to VIT. This is equation number 2. Ohm's law equation V equal to IR. This equation substitute in equation number 2. So H equal to I square RT. R is resistance. This relation was experimentally verified by Joule's and it's known as Joule's law of heating. It states that the heat developed in an electric circuit due to the flow of current varies directly as the square of the current, the resistance of the circuit and the time of flow. Next, second subtopic, application of Joule's heating effect. First one, electric heater. Electric iron, electric heater, electric toaster shown in figure are some of the home appliances that utilize the heating effect of current. In this appliance, the heating element are made of nichrome and alloys of nickel and chromium. Nichrome has a high specific resistance and can be heated to very high temperature without excitation. Second one, electric fuses. Fuses as shown in figure are connected in series in a circuit to produce electric device from the heat developed by a passage of excessive current. It is a short length of the wire made of a low melting point material. Fuse wire made of zinc, copper, silver or aluminum. This is non-combustible material. It melts and breaks the circuit if current exceeds a certain value. Lead and copper wire melt and burn out when the current increases above 5 ampere and 35 ampere respectively. The only disadvantage with the above fuses is that once fuse wire is burned due to excessive current, they need to be replaced. Nowadays in houses, circuit breaker are also used instead of fuses. Whenever there is an excessive current produced due to faulty wire connection, the circuit breaker switch open. After repairing the faulty connections, we can close the circuit breaker switch. It is shown in the figure third one. Third one, electric furnace. What is furnace? Heating media or device used for heating and melting. For providing Heat to chemical reactions for processing like cracking. The furnace may be heated by a fusel as in many furnaces cooking used as a fuel. Some are operated by electrical energy, example electric arc furnace. Type of furnace, low temperature furnace, temperature up to 1300 degree Fahrenheit, high temperature furnace, temperature up to 500 degree Fahrenheit. Pot type of furnace, used for hardening and tempering by immersing pot in molten heat, treating medium, which may be salt or lead. Pots do not come into contact with air. Furnaces are used to manufacture a large number of technologically important materials such as steel, silicon carbide, quartz, gallium, arsenide, and etc. To produce temperature up to 1500 degree Celsius, molybdenum nichrome wire, wound and silica tube is used. Carbon arc furnace produce temperature up to 3000 degree Celsius. There are four main type of furnace: natural gas, oil, electric and propane. Electric furnace can heat the air by exposing heated element, while other type of furnace typically require a heat exchanger or chamber that warms the surrounding air. Fourth one, electrical lamp. A light bulb produces light from electricity. In addition to lighting a dark space, they can be used to show an electronic device is on, to direct traffic, for heat and for many other purposes. Billions are in use, some even in outer space. Early people used candle and oil lamp for light. It consists of a tungsten filament, melting point 3380 degrees Celsius, kept inside a glass bulb and heated to incandescent by current. An incandescent electric lamp, only about 5% of electrical energy is converted into light, and the rest is wasted as electric discharge lamp. Electric welding and electric arc also utilize the heating effect of current. Thermoelectric effect. Conversion of temperature difference into electrical voltage and vice versa is known as thermoelectric effect. A thermoelectric device generated voltage when there is a temperature difference on each side. If a voltage is applied, it generates a temperature difference. Seebeck effect. Seebeck discovered that in a closed circuit consisting of two dissimilar metals, when the junctions are maintained at different temperature, an EMF is developed. The current that flow due to the EMF developed is called thermoelectric current. The two dissimilar metals connected to form two junctions is known as thermocouples. If the hot and cold junctions are interchanged, the direction of current also reversed. Hence the effect is reversible. The magnitude of the EMF developed in a thermocouple depends on the nature of the metals forming the couples and the temperature difference between the junction. Application of Seebeck effect. First point. Seebeck effect is used in thermoelectric generators. These thermoelectric generators are used in power plant to convert waste heat into electricity. Second point. This effect is utilized in automobiles as automotive thermoelectric generators for increasing fuel efficiency. Third point. Seebeck effect is used in thermocouples and thermopiles to measure the temperature difference between the two objects. Second effect, Peltier effect. In 1834, Peltier discovered that when an electric current is passed through a circuit of a thermocouple, heat is evolved at one junction and absorbed at the other junctions. This is known as Peltier effect. If the copper and iron thermocouples, the junctions A and B are maintained at the same temperature. Let a current from a battery flow through the thermocouples at the junctions A, where the current flow from copper to iron. Heat is absorbed at the junctions A becomes cold. At the junctions B, where the current flow from iron to copper, heat is liberated and it becomes hot when the direction of current is reversed. Peltier effect is converse of Seebeck effect. Third effect, Thomson effect. This topic is end of second lesson. Thomson showed that if 2 points in a conductors are at different temperature, the density of electron at this point will differ, and as a result, potential difference is created between this point. Thomson effect is also reversible. If current is passed through a copper bar AB which is heated at the middle point C, the point will be at high potential. Indicate that the heat is absorbed along AC and evolved along CB of the conductor. Thus heat is transferred due to the current flow in the direction of the current. It is called positive Thomson effect. Similar effect is observed in metals like silver, zinc and cadmium. When the copper bar is replaced by an iron bar, heat is evolved along CA and absorbed along BC. Thus, heat is transferred due to the current flow in the direction opposite to the direction of current. It is called negative Thomson effect. Similar effect is observed in metals like platinum, nickel, cobalt and mercury. Today portions is theory part. It's important to 3 marks and short question 2 marks. So read and write given questions 2 times. What is called Joule's heating effect of current? State Joule's law of heating. What are the properties of the substance used as heating element? Write your notes and electric fuses. Write your note and electric breakers. Write your note and electric bulb or lamp. Define Seebeck effect. What are the application of Seebeck effect? Define Peltier effect. Define Thomson effect. And last question, distinction between Peltier effect and Joule effect. Thank you, students.